Video I'm gonna show you how to find community updates channel and manage it. First click here. Now click settings. Now you will find here community settings. Click on it, and here as you see you will find community updates channel. Click on it like this. Here select a community updates channel. You can select any one you want here, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.